Good morning, Simon. Say good morning.
It doesn't look like it's a very good morning. He looks grumpy. Who wouldn't want to wake up to this bundle of joy?